Hello everyone and welcome to another Be Infinite platform tutorial. I'm Christopher Shaw, the CEO of BeInfinite.co, and today we're just going to be editing a client's mobile website. Just doing a couple of edits and showing you some of the features that are included with the platform. Let's get into it. Now this client is Equalizer Radio. It is cool. You kind of can create your own free digital radio station. We helped them build the app too as far as the overall brand. So we did the logo, we did the colors, we did everything. So this is a really cool client. You guys check it out when they launch. So what I want to do is focus on the phone view, or mobile site. So I click over here on the lower left hand corner, goes to the phone view, and one of the first things I notice is that I want more room. I want less room here. So all I do is there's a spacer right here, and all I'm doing is dropping the spacer, just closing the room up, right? Then and this text is a little dark for a black background, so I want to go ahead and make this white so they can see it better. And even I think this text is a little big, so let's make it 16 point. That's a good size. This is a good size. That's okay. That black looks good, but I want to make this smaller as well. So all I'm doing is double clicking on things, and then the element bars are coming up, and then I make this smaller, make it a little smaller. That's cool. And I save. I usually save as many times as possible so that I don't get distracted and don't save. Let's keep going down. This looks pretty good. This looks pretty good. This is some sample text we're probably going to get rid of anyway. And then I want to make this smaller. I'm looking at spacing and just trying to space everything out. I also want to make this text black because it's a little hard to see. There we go. I'm going to go back up because I think this was duplicated. So let's say, this is already 16. But I want to make it black. Cool too. Cool. So as you can see, it's super simple to edit, even mobile view, all type of views. Simple edit. Go and create a free account at BeInfinite.co and also sign up for our Be Infinite Academy. It includes our digital marketing magazine to give you insights in how to make better decisions when you're dealing with your business, when you're growing your business. And also comes with lots of planners and a lot of tutorial videos, platform videos, lead generation videos. All these things are included in the Be Infinite Academy. Okay, thank you. And until next time, continue to be